Hi, my name is Farjana Aziz and welcome to TudungPeople's channel. So today I'm wearing Zayra. This is our Raya collection. I think it's just been released like about a week ago. So this one, it's made out of matte satin silk. So it's very soft. You can use the same style macam shawl but can end up with totally different effect. Something like this one. So style dia, konsep dia adalah kepuk. Like for me, I like it big and kepuk like this. Sesuai juga untuk pergi beraya, kalau nak pergi bernikah, because it comes with this Swarovski, so dia macam lagi jalan je ke shiny. This is made from real Swarovski by the way. Macam biasa, start dekat 1/4 of the shawl. So sebelah ni pendek dan sebelah ni panjang. So ambil yang panjang, bawa ke belakang. So if you have a fat chick like me, always pin dekat belah sini supaya kita dapat menyembunyikan pipi kita. Take yang belah panjang tu, pin kat belah atas ni. Alright, from here, you just pusing and pin. Take part ni, see the curve part. So you take where the Swarovski starts and then spin kat atas ni. And you're done. So memang gaya ni over sikit, dia ada kepuk-kepuk dia besar, but this is one of the best way for you to show off your Swarovski. So kalau nak, you can also pin it here or you can just leave it like that. I am wearing Zayra Lychee. If you want to know more about Zayra or if you want to see all the available colors, you can just click on the link down below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will be uploading more and more tutorials, or if you have any particular inquiries or any particular style that you would like us to cover, you can just send us a DM. Thank you for watching!